Unraveling the phrase, leave them clapping. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, leave them clapping. This expression is not only vivid but also carries a deep meaning in various contexts. Stick around as we break down its usage, origins, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. Leave them clapping is a metaphorical phrase that suggests leaving an audience, group, or even a single person thoroughly impressed, satisfied, or in a state of admiration. The imagery here is powerful. Think of a performance so captivating that the audience can't help but applaud. But in our daily lives, it transcends literal clapping to imply leaving a lasting, positive impact. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal presentations and speeches to casual conversations. For example, if you deliver a presentation and your audience is very impressed, you can say, "I left them clapping." It signifies that your performance or contribution was well received and appreciated. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use leave them clapping in everyday conversation. After the play, the actors were so good that they left the audience clapping for several minutes. My goal for the upcoming project presentation is to leave them clapping. I want my work to be that impactful. When she finished her speech, she left them clapping. Everyone was moved by her words. For English learners, incorporating phrases like leave them clapping can add a layer of richness to your communication. Remember, the key to using such expressions effectively lies in understanding the context and the emotional impact you wish to convey. Practice using it in different scenarios, from storytelling to sharing experiences, to master its usage. We hope this exploration of the phrase, leave them clapping, has been enlightening. English is full of colorful expressions that can add depth and vibrancy to your conversations. Don't shy away from using them. With practice, you'll not only understand the language better but also become more effective in your communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll leave your viewers clapping after your next English adventure.